Hi, this is our video for Laboratory 2 for Mastering Electronics. My name is Michael Ainsworth.
And I'm Shion Lee.
So to begin, we're going to show you our circuit board and a brief explanation of how it works.
Right, so this is our Wheatstone bridge circuit. We have the R1 right here, R2, R3, RS, and the potentiometer right here. So basically we have the internal loop right here, and also the ground connected here from the end,
Right, at top.
the middle of the potentiometer, as well as the end of R2.
Right.
Connected.
And
yep.
This R3 right here is the one we're trying to minimize in the end.
Yeah. So we basically want almost equal resistance between these two to make it so that there's nothing going through. Basically to make it act like an open circuit right here in the middle.
Right.
And so we have.
So we attach this to the Digilant, and we can show you some of the WaveGen data on here. So this is our WaveGen currently running. As you can see, we have channel 1 in the yellow and channel 2 in the blue, and you can't really see them because they're overlapped, which is what we want. The red line is the difference between the two channels. As you can see, the range is low, which is why you have some differences. But as you can see here, we have the measurement, the difference between the two peaks, and it's about oscillating around 20 millivolts, which is relatively low, we think. So that's a good sign. And this basically just shows you how close we are between the two, which is good because we want to be as close to zero as possible.
Also, how you lower the noise.
Yeah, and so the way to lower the noise is we go to the potentiometer.
Lower the noise is like adding like average and like changing the range.
Oh, right. So to add the average, wait, how do you do that with this?
Yeah, no. So basically, changing the range right here changes.
Oh yeah, that changes the
amount of
noise.
Yeah,
it allows you to visualize it a little bit better if you have a lower range.
Over here, this average is what changes this value over here.
Exactly. Yep.
And yeah, that's why. That's how you adjust the range.
Yeah, it's adjusted the range through the circuit. We
and so
adjust the potentiometer.
Right. So exactly how you lower this difference right here is by changing the potentiometer value, and by spinning this by turning it right,
yeah, don't spin it too much, because
yeah, by turning it right it goes higher, and by turning it left it goes lower. And we
Right.
want it to be low as possible, this red line, because by having it as minimal as possible, it makes the resistance correctly as how we want it to be.
All right, great, thank you.